Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, March 19th. Here are the 2 words for today. Bob is making lunch in the kitchen. Very nice. And Jennifer will come here soon. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We are in the kitchen. We are in the kitchen. Kitchen. It is a place in your home where people prepare food. Are you in the kitchen now? Let me know in the comments. Now we can make a flashcard for kitchen. Please write kitchen up here in the top left corner. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1-R-E-G. This means noun, level 1, regular. And over here the number is 85 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Kitchen. Kitchen. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. She will drink water soon. She will drink water soon. Soon. A little time into the future. She will drink water soon. We don't use soon for yesterday, only for future. Now we can make a flashcard for soon and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Up in this corner, to do something soon. We use to do something because it is an adverb. Down here in this corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here the number 35 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ooh, soo, soon. Game over. You did really well today. Bob is making lunch. He is in the kitchen. Very good. And Jennifer will come here soon. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you can make with a pencil. A drawing. Very nice. Number 2 is a dangerous animal in the ocean. A shark. Very nice. And number 3, can you say it? To hate something or somebody. This is the opposite of love or like. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.